Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how MVP works in Marvel Rivals. In order to do so, here we are at the Marvel Rivals website, and we'll just talk here briefly about how MVP works in Marvel Rivals. Now, first off, you can typically get an MVP title if you have high kills and high assists, which indicates a strong performance. However, this system is under a bit of criticism because the reliance on kill counts and low death rates doesn't always reflect the true value of a player's contribution. So there's a little bit of controversy right now in regards to exactly how MVP works. And this is something that very well might be resolved in future updates to be a little bit more balanced. But for the moment, the main way of getting MVP in Marvel Rivals is to make sure that your assists are up and your kills are up. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.